Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with a Printful unboxing. So I did order a new product that I have not heard a lot of people talk about, and it is the denim shirt. So I got me a denim shirt and I did embroidery. I can't remember if that's the only option, but I do have the products pulled up on my computer so I can read the specs for you guys. I'm also trying out a different colorway for a possible new products for my Dear Military Spouse brand. So I'm going to show you guys that. And then I also ordered a sticker. I feel like I ordered a sticker before and I'm not sure if I enjoyed the quality, but I decided to order another one, and I'm going to make sure I put it on one of my notebooks so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So let's get into it, okay? So the first product is going to be one of the shirts from the Military Spouse collection. So of course, most of the time I order Bella canvas. So if you guys are not sure how these normally come, I ordered it from my business, and it comes from Coins and Connections, has a thing, and then I always put certain stuff on here. So it just says the product is the Military Spouse unisex t-shirt in soft cream and a medium. So at the end I will try on these products. I know the Bella canvas 3001C fits because that's the size I wear, and I have these shirts at home. So here is the soft cream, and it's the army green box with the word Military Spouse in it. So I'm gonna pull that back. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, there you go. Move that a little bit closer so you guys can see that. Every time you get a shirt from Printful, of course it comes with this barcode on it, and it just says, you know, the date. It says priority, soft cream, and then the sizing of the actual I guess the image was 12 by 16. So I really like this color, and it looks true to what I did. The actual color does not have a smell, so I really like this colorway. I can't be too sure if y'all can see the actual colorway of the cream and the green because of my whack light in my office. But yeah, that's the color shirt. I'm probably not going to try this one on, and I'm sorry if I'm hitting my mic. So that's the soft cream. Really love the colorway. I like the way it came out, so probably going to stick with that. And now I'm going to show you guys the denim shirt. So again, this one came in a white folder with my business logo on there. So for anyone who feel like, oh, I don't want people to know it comes from Printful, you can put your logo on the outside of the package. So it comes from there, and then it also says that it came from Coins and Connections here. So again, like I said, you all can get that. All right, so on this little card, again, it says it came from Coins and Connections, tells me that I have unisex denim t-shirt, husky in black, a size medium. And I just add this little thing right here for my people who buy from me. Just say like a thank you, tell them to subscribe to the mailing list, send pictures, follow us on social media, things like that. And here is the denim shirt. So like I said, I got it in black. It almost looks tie-dye. Does not feel denim, but I don't know if that's just like the name. But here is the embroidery. Hope you guys can see that well. There you go. Here's the embroidery. There you go. Inside here is a label. I don't know, I probably could take that off. Let's see. It says Rolly something. It says Husky and it says Rolly. So yes, it's a sticker that can come off. Took that off. And then there's really not anything in here, okay? So again, every Printful shirt comes with this little tag. And before you knew about print on demand, you was probably ordering stuff that had tags on it like this. This is how the sleeve look. This one is a little curved in. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. See if the other one's like that. Yeah, so it's like a little fold right here. So I don't know if that gives it a unique vibe, but it's like a fold all the way around, and it's also on the other side. And then this is how the bottom looks. I'm going to turn the shirt inside out so you guys can look at the area where the embroidery is. Oh, and it has a hang tag here. It says Rolly. Guess that's the brand name. So that's the inside where the embroidery is. Yeah, I really like it. It's lightweight too. I don't know what the husky means, but the shirt is really light. But I do like the denim look. So have you guys look at it again. So I'm going to try that one on. And then last but not least, I got a sticker. Sticker comes in a white, not white, in a cardboard like styrofoam flat lay package. So get that out there. And again, tells me what's in there. Kiss cut sticker, and it's just the same design as that's on the shirt, but it says military spouse. I don't think y'all can tell that that's army green, but it is. And that's the sticker. So I did it in a square, so of course it's going to come off as a square. I'm going to peel it off. Super easy for it to come off. No problem there. So that's what the sticker looks like off. Again, my design was just a square that I uploaded, and it put the white border around it. I'm gonna stick it here on my journal. And there you have it. So now you can see a little bit of the army green. So I'm going to pause this in a second. But I figure I don't have to read the specs of the actual Bella Canvas shirt because you guys know it. But the Kiss Cut sticker comes in, so it comes in 3x3, 4x4, 5.5 by 5.5. And it says it is a Kiss Cut sticker, and it can be any shape you want, with also leaving the wide enough border around your design for smooth peeling. Available in 3 sizes for single sticker or multiple smaller ones. And that sounds like you can possibly do a sticker sheet. It says high octopus, y'all gonna kill me in these words. Opacity. It comes with high film. I'm so over my life. That's impossible to see through. Fast and easy bubble-free application. Durable vinyl. Perfect for indoor use. 95, a weird pie sign or something. Density, and it says don't forget to clean the surface before applying the sticker. Oops, my bad. I didn't do that. It also goes into like file guidelines and availability, and also shipping. So I'm gonna go over to the denim shirt and then read a little bit more about it. So it says unisex denim t-shirt husky. It comes in black, garnet red, dark army green, and denim blue. So those are the 4 colors that you can get it in. So the only technique is embroidery. So just so you guys know, this comes from small to 2XL, and the actual like price for it is $19.59. So the file size is 4x4. It said when it comes to casual style, nothing beats denim. Made out of comb cotton, and the unisex denim t-shirt has a soft, comfortable feel, which is really, it really is, with rib cuffs and a classic rounded neck. 100% comb cotton fabric weight. It tells you the weight is like 5.7 ounces. Rounded neck, short sleeve with 1x1 rib cuffs. Double seamed on the armhole and sleeve hem. Reinforced covering seams from shoulder to shoulder. Blank product sourced from Bangladesh. Jesus. The finish and tonality of this garment can vary due to the dye and mineral wash process, which creates a unique and natural variation. So again, tells you a little bit more about the file size and availability. I hope you love this Printful unboxing, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.